Hey, you guys, I am back and I am here with a custom wig I made for a client. She wants to change out the transparent lace closure for an HD lace closure. So I first start by removing the closure from the wig. Please be careful with this part because one wrong snip and you can really just mess up the whole wig. So carefully do this part, as you can see. It looks like it could be a U-part wig once the closure is removed. That'll be a big U-part. So I've already bleached and customized this closure off camera. So I'm just gonna braid the hair to get it out of my way. And I don't care. Just for that extra security, I always sew down the closure to the wig first, as you can see here. And once I'm done with that, it's already stitched beautifully, but I want that extra security. So I'm going to go ahead and run it through my sewing machine. And that's what I'm doing right here. Just run it through once, that's it. Now we're going to go ahead and flat iron her. I have really great quality hair, you guys. I know I've said it so many times, but I'm going to keep saying it. I have really great quality hair, you guys. As you can see right here, it's butter. And yeah, now I'm going to go in and make it extremely flat. My client wanted a middle part. So I go in first and I press it out, and then I take my wax stick to the root only and run my hot comb through it. And that's how you get it to be flat, like flat. And I'm going to just continue to do that all throughout the closure and where the part is. We want it sleek and we want it flat. Okay. So now I'm going to do the baby hair. She wanted very faint baby hairs, not too dramatic. And yeah, so this is the finished look. I recommend you changing your closures and your frontals out of your wigs. It will give your wig longevity. It will last longer. Especially if you have great quality hair like myself. You guys shop Rainy Loves Custom Hair. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.